Chapter 4. Repeat and nested repeat. Children, so far you've become an expert in drawing figures using FD, BK, LT and RT primitives. Normally you have to write long sequences of primitives to draw a shape. But here we will learn about a command which reduces the number of steps to draw a figure. Repeat command. If we draw plus sign on the screen using the following primitives. Step 1. FD 20, BK 40, FD 20, RT 90. Step 2. FD 20, BK 40, FD 20, RT 90. We find that the last 4 commands in step 2 are the repetition of the first 4 commands in step 1. In many figures, there is a need to repeat a set of primitives. In such figures, we can use repeat primitives. The repeat command repeats a set of primitives which are given in brackets. This is how we write it. Type repeat, n, primitives in a bracket and press enter, where n is equal to number of times. So, to draw plus sign, we can give the following command. Repeat space 2 space in a bracket FD 20, BK 40, FD 20, RT 90 and then press enter. How to use repeat primitive? For using repeat command, we should first find out 3 things in a figure. The shape or part of the figure which is repeated. Which primitives make that part of the figure? How many times that part is repeated in the figure? For example, in square shape, there are 4 lines. Each line is at 90-degree turn. So, if the primitives to form one line are repeated 4 times, a square will be drawn. Let us understand this through the figure given below. The primitives FD 40, RT 90 are to be repeated 4 times. Hence, the command should be repeat 4 and in a bracket FD 40, RT 90. The primitive repeat is used along with the commands which are repeating themselves in the figure. Follow the steps given below to use repeat primitive. First of all, write the command repeat. Write the number of times you want the set of commands to be repeated. Give space between the word repeat and number of steps. Write the commands to be repeated inside the square brackets. Press the enter key after closing the brackets. Let us see some more examples of using repeat command. Example 1. To draw a circle using repeat command. A circle is a closed arc whose all points are at equal distance from its center. Turtle moves 90 degrees to reach from point A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to A. If the turtle starts from point A and it has to reach back at the same, then it will have to move 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90 is equal to 360 degrees. Whenever we draw a circle, we have to reach back at the same point and thus covering the distance in 360 degrees. To draw a circle, turtle has to move a step forward towards right, and it does this for 360 times. Thus, the command to draw a circle will be repeat 360 and in a bracket FD1 RT1 enter. Remember, a circle either big or small always covers 360 degrees. Example 2. To draw a semicircle. To draw a semicircle, turtle has to move 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degrees. Thus, key in repeat 180 and in a bracket FD1 RT1. Enter. Example 3. Let us draw another figure and see how easily we can draw it using repeat command. Repeat 4 and in a bracket FD20 BK40 FD20 RT45. Enter. Nested repeat. On watching this figure carefully, you will find that it consists of two rectangles. Now, to draw a rectangle using repeat command, we will write repeat 2 and in a bracket FD40 RT90 FD20 RT90. But here we have to draw two rectangles, and it means that we have to repeat the above command 2 times to draw our figure. In addition, these rectangles are at right angle to each other. So we will write repeat 2, then put a square bracket, write repeat 2, give another square bracket and write FD50 RT90 FD10 RT90. Close the first square bracket. Then continue with FD20 LT90 FD20 RT90 FD10. Close the second square bracket and press enter. A repeat command enclosed in another repeat command is called nested repeat. First repeat command encloses the second repeat command in its brackets. Additional primitives are also written in the square brackets of the first repeat command to bring the turtle at the desired position. Many interesting figures can be drawn using nested repeat. Try this. Repeat 8. Start a square bracket and write repeat 2. Start another square bracket and write FD50 RT90 FD10 RT90. Close one square bracket and continue PU RT90 FD10 LT45 and close the bracket.